So the Fairfax County Department of Transportation just launched a project called the ActiveFairfax Transportation Plan, which is combining two comprehensive plans into one plan. This is the Bicycle Master Plan from 2014, as well as the Countywide Trails Plan that plans a trails network for both paved trails as well as hiking trails. Both of these plans are a couple years old, so it's time to update them and bring them to current standards. And by combining them into one, it will be much easier to understand the plans from the development perspective and make sure that they're implemented correctly. So on the county website, there is a community survey that we are inviting everyone to participate in and share, your preferences of where you would like to walk and bike, what type of facilities you prefer. For example, a trail connection. If it's not in the plan, the county will not be able to build this. So it's important that we find all these connections that we haven't planned yet and make sure that our community can access the destinations they would like to go to. So the vision for active transportation in Fairfax County is not just recreational opportunities, but also to provide an alternative ability for people to get to work, or to get to the metro station, to get to school, or to go shopping, to really fulfill their daily needs without getting into a car. And it also helps providing access to transit systems.